In PHP 8, there's a new Stringable interface that can be used to type in anything that implements toString. Let me show it to you in this video. So here I've already typed up a class that implements toString. Now let's add a function that accepts it. So this function will be named myFunction, and it accepts a string and a stringable. Let's name this stringable as well. And this function will echo out the stringable, and let's convert it to a string here. Let's use the function. So myFunction, and let's just give it hi and execute it. So as expected, myFunction accepts the string and echoes it out. So we see hi here. And let's now pass it a new instance of my class and execute it. And now you see that myFunction accepts the stringable class. We're casting the instance toString. So toString is called and string from my class is being output. A thing to note is that whenever a class implements toString, it automatically implements the stringable interface. This is a little bit magical. You don't need to implement stringable yourself here. I think this is another nice addition to PHP 8, and I hope you like it as well.